that we haven't got another situation up ahead. Everything should be fine, though. We'll just stop the train up here by Fort Boone. Hold on.
There's a guy over there.
Sheriff! What is it? Looks like we're too late. Well, you might be right. Where'd those other two go? Maverick!
What?
Where are you?
Oh no, Sheriff. I seem to have gotten separated from you and I'm on the wrong side of the train. Yeah.
I'll tell you what, since you're over there, just keep your eyes open for trouble, okay?
Yeah, sure, look.
Cowboy?
Over here they are, Tyler. Over here.
Are too stupid for words. Listen. No, there to that train.
Hey, fellas!
Hey.
Listen!
What?
There's Indians in these woods! They're coming after this train! We gotta get these people out of here right now and you gotta take me with you!
Yeah, seriously, they're coming!
Stop it. Stop it. Thank you. I needed that. Sheriff!
He's okay.
Sheriff!
We're
Yeah?
not gonna hurt him.
I got a survivor over here.
Alright, send him over.
You! Go over to that yellow car and get the gold. Don't come back with that.
I think you do that there, Maverick.
Go! I don't want to hear another word. Now, don't you worry none there, Sheriff. As soon as I get that gold, I'm going to fill you so full of holes. You're going to look like a slice of fish.
Hey! Listen! Sheriff! Listen, you better get this train out of here before it's too late. I mean, too late! Didn't mean you... Hey!
Look at Stevie.